SmartStudi Sidebar AI is a newly released tool, and if you're wondering if it's the best AI software for your needs, you're in the right place. In this review, we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about SmartStudi Sidebar AI. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal some insights that could help you decide if this software is the right fit for you. First off, SmartStudi Sidebar AI is designed to streamline your workflow. It's an intuitive sidebar tool that integrates with your browser to provide real-time AI assistance. What does this mean for you? It means that you can access helpful tools and features without having to switch between tabs or applications. It's all right there in your browser, making your life much easier. One of the standout features of SmartStudi Sidebar AI is its ability to enhance your productivity. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or entrepreneur, this tool can assist with writing, brainstorming, research, and even automating repetitive tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that's not only responsive, but actively saves you time throughout your day. Next, SmartStudi Sidebar AI's natural language processing capabilities are impressive. The software understands context, which allows it to generate relevant content suggestions, improve your writing, and even help you with SEO-related tasks. It's not just about generating text, it's about creating high-quality, context-aware content that resonates with your audience. In addition, SmartStudi Sidebar AI provides real-time feedback, which is perfect for anyone looking to improve the quality of their content. Whether you're writing an email, creating a blog post, or working on a social media campaign, SmartStudi can offer suggestions for improving readability, tone, and even keyword usage. For anyone focused on digital marketing, this is an absolute game changer. Another key feature to note is SmartStudi's seamless integration with other tools. If you're already using platforms like Google Docs, Trello, or any other digital marketing tools, this AI software integrates smoothly into your workflow. No need for complex setups or switching between apps. It works right alongside your other tools to enhance efficiency without disrupting your current setup. If you're concerned about usability, SmartStudi Sidebar AI is beginner-friendly. The interface is simple, intuitive, and doesn't require a steep learning curve. It's designed for people who want to maximize their productivity with minimal effort, and whether you're new to AI or not, you'll find it easy to jump in and start using the software right away. Now, let's talk about pricing. While SmartStudi Sidebar AI does offer a free version, if you want to unlock the full potential of the software, there are premium plans available. These premium features offer more in-depth customization, better AI support, and additional integrations with other tools. However, if you're just getting started, the free version provides more than enough functionality to see whether this software works for you. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try SmartStudi Sidebar AI for free through the first link below. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to explore its features and see if it aligns with your needs. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software in the description, so check them out if you're interested in exploring other options. To summarize, SmartStudi Sidebar AI is a highly functional and user-friendly tool designed to boost productivity, assist with content creation, and improve your digital marketing efforts. With its real-time feedback, seamless integrations, and beginner-friendly interface, it's a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their workflow. Try it out for free and see if it's the best fit for you.